Hello everyone, welcome to Gmail tutorials. In this video we will be seeing that how can we actually set up a signature for our Gmail account. So what is a signature? Signature or a salutation is basically the same thing. That is a few words that you would like to enter into every email that you send. So it gives you kind of a professional look onto your email. Furthermore, you do not have to add your designation manually in each of the emails. Suppose I want to add my name and my profession at the end of every email, or basically thank you and regards and my name. So any kind of a salutation that you would like to add in your email at the bottom, that signature you can set, predefine it in Gmail. The steps are pretty simple. All you need to do is open up your Gmail account. Once you have opened it up, go to this cog icon that shows the settings. Click on it. Go to see all settings. So it's going to load the settings page for you. Make sure you are in the general tab. Then scroll down all the way to when it says signature, and the information is provided with it that it is appended at the end of all outgoing messages. Right now we have no signatures. You can just click on create new to add a new signature. So firstly we provide a name of that signature. So let's just add sample signature. Click on create. Now whatever text we want, that we can add in this sample signature. The text that we can add, we can actually stylize it as well using different fonts, different text sizes, bold, italics, underlined, or even we can add links, images, everything to our signature. So what I'm going to add is I'm going to use this Grammont font, and I'm going to add thanks and regards and a sample name, let's say Joe Smith. So after this I want to add something in, let's say bold. So let me just bold it and change the size of the text to large. So here what I do is I add have a good day. Like this. So this is my signature that I have specified. Okay. Next what happens is signature defaults. So this is a very important thing in signature. For new emails, what we want to use the signature, the sample signature that we have just created. If you want to create multiple signatures, that also we can create, but you have to set over here that for the new emails what kind of signature you want to use. I want to use a sample signature. The second thing is that if you are replying to any email or if you are forwarding any email, do you want to use the signature over there as well? So I do not want to use the signature there. So no signature is the option that I'm going to go with. In case you want to keep the sample signature there as well, that also you can set over here. Next option is insert signature before quoted text in replies and remove the dash line that precedes it. So basically this is only applicable if you want to add the signature in the replies. Since we are not going to do that, so we are fine with this information. Okay, now in order to check it, let's just go to the compose tab, and here we just type in something, just provide a sample email address. Okay, and some sample subject. Click on send. So if you just click on view messages, we need to save those changes actually. Click on save changes. So yeah, now the changes have been saved and we need to compose another message. So let's just compose the message, and here you can see that before even composing the message, we are getting the signature written over here. Thanks and regards, Joe Smith, have a good day. And if you want to switch between different signatures, you can just actually do that as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.